Hey friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how can you send .gif images on your Instagram chat. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first you need to open your Instagram app. I'll open my Instagram app, and from here you need to click on this chat section. I'll click on it, and from here you can choose any chat you want to send a message. And from here you have an option showing, there is an option showing of plus icon. You need to click on this icon, and here's three options showing. You need to click on last option, stickers. You need to click on this sticker option, and from here you see at the bottom here is showing the stickers, and in the right side you have option gif. You need to click on this option gif, and from here you have all the gif images here is showing. And if, for example, if I choose any gif images, and that gif images has been sent, you see that gif image has been sent. So by using this simple step you can easily send gif on your Instagram chat. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like button, also subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you.